Hello everyone, welcome to the series named Conversation with Kushal once again. Today we have a very creative guest with all of us named Krishna Rathi. So just to brief about Krishna Rathi, his passion for keeping up with trends and love for tech along with a keen eye to observe made him a concept artist. An interest in commerce made him pursue chartered accountancy and law. Curiosity in cybersecurity led him to become a certified ethical hacker. Among many of his achievements, designing a mascot for a scheme of the state government of Punjab and the video concept head for Dadasaheb Phalke International Film Festival are the most prominent ones. He does hyperrealism sketching to de-stress during CA studies and ethical hacking assignments, minimal concept-based illustrations and brand strategizing which sets him apart in his niche. Presently, he chairs as the founder and CEO of Scion and creative director of Krishna Rathi Associates and Radart Media. Well, thank you so much, Krishna, for accepting my invitation and coming up on the show, and heartiest congratulations for all your achievements.
Thank you so much, Kushal, for having me here. And first of all, thanks a lot for this wonderful introduction, which you just briefed about. Yeah.
Yep, no issues. So, guys, when I say that he does hyperrealism sketches, I mean it completely. So, before we begin the video, I'll just go through some of the artwork and some of the sketches which Krishna has done so that you can have an idea about his creativity.
I love to be busy in creating lives, be it my classroom or my hostel room. I love to create sketches. I love to create sketches which actually incorporate a lot of emotions, patience, observation, perseverance, and attention to details. Every artwork I create takes around 10 hours till 200 hours as well. The particular artwork which you are seeing is a hyperrealistic artwork called The Hope. It is made with graphite and charcoal. A farmer gave me a hope on my road trip. This artwork will actually require a magnifying glass to see the attention of the fabric details as well. And this observation helped me create minimal concept art. For example, attachment hurts. Molestation, the secret she keeps every day. चाय तो refreshing है और ये run out तो हम कभी भूल ही नहीं सकते. So these minimal concept art and the observation to details help me create and spread happiness in artist community and still busy in creating lives.
Oh my God, those were wonderful sketches, Krishna. Like, from where do you get so much creativity?
Thank you so much, Kushal. So I'll be honest, like I started my journey when I was in hostel. Like every other CA student, I moved to Bombay some 6-7 years back to start my CA journey, like proper IPCC ke classes lena hai. And you have to roll out into CA course, those
Right.
14 hours of rigorous studies and articleship days. And articleship in Mumbai itself is a very difficult task.
Exactly.
So if you try to manage your classes, your articleship along with your studies, it's a really difficult task. And that time, I was in PwC for the first year. So for first year of my articleship, I was in PwC and I wanted to do some system audits, but I was in stat audits. So later on, I dropped an idea that I shouldn't be continuing in PwC because I want to do some system audits and get into forensics somewhere. Because ethical hacking assignments and everything will be covering up that part.
Right.
So whenever I used to wake up, I used to go to the office. That mundane lifestyle, every CS student. याद है क्या वो चीज जब हम हॉस्टल में आते थे शाम में एंड दैट डिनर के टाइम वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन के साथ सब मजे करते हैं वो सब चीजें.
Right, exactly.
That time I realized that somewhere this part is getting hampered where my creativity is lost. In school days, I used to put, even for the book covers also, I used to put them very neat and clean. So that part I realized that there is somewhere I started my creativity which I lost in between. I should restart again. Then a friend of mine
Okay.
gifted some articles और फिर हॉस्टल के बंदों ने तारीफ कर दी. फिर चीजें चालू हो गई तब से. And yes, I get my
That-
creativity from observing things around. There are a lot of things I observe. I'll be noticing what you're wearing, what is there in the background and everything. Because yes, minimal illustration mein you have to observe a lot.
So you're noticing it
observation is
currently as
something.
well. What I have worn, what is the background?
Yeah,
So any
absolutely.
Any comments on that?
In the previous interview, you had a charger plugged in your board last time, but right now it is not there.
Yeah, actually it's not there. And hats off to your observation skills. So
Thank you
just
so much.
wanted to know, like, how do you manage so much? Like you're doing CA as well. So what happens usually is that we don't get a chance to have like pursue our hobbies, pursue our passion. So this is one of the biggest question which everyone has nowadays. How do we maintain this equilibrium and how you ensure that you didn't lose up on your passion?
See, I wanted to smile before I sleep every day. That was my main motto.
Okay.
And I realized in articleship days that was not happening. During CPT IPCC, there was a cutthroat competition, classes hote the. So that thing, along with gives you a passion and feeling कि नहीं, I have a group of friends. But in articleship, what happens? You are under a pressure. And what you get credited at the start of the month वी ऑल नो. सो बेसिकली क्या होता है, जब भी हम हॉस्टल में रहते हैं या फिर वो आर्टिकलशिप डेज चालू होता है, वी रियलाइज दैट वी आर वर्किंग अंडर समबडी बट दैट क्रिएटिविटी इज गेटिंग हैम्पर्ड. We are doing just vouching and verification of different things, but where is the creativity which is getting hampered? I wanted to get it back in my life because I'm a creative person and I knew that if you ask me to prepare Maggie, I'll put extra things in that. Every person, okay, who is a creative will prepare Maggie in his own way. So that is where I felt that I should get back to my creativity. And the first answer, Kushal, to that is the consistency.
Okay.
Every day at 4 to 5 a.m. in between, I used to wake up in hostel. And I know you also maintained that you used to sleep at 10 p.m., get up at 5 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah,
and I guess you continue till now as well.
Thanks for watching the videos.
I'm your subscriber, man. I'm a huge fan of your actually achievements. So first thing which I realized that there should be consistency in everything. And I wanted to develop the habit. Hostel mein usually raat mein after 2 p.m. So most of those guys who are listening must be hostel people. That's why I'm telling you. After 2 p.m. till 2 p.m. वो बहुत मस्ती होता है. There is a lot of chaos in the hostel. So you cannot focus on what you want to do. So I used to wake up at 4 or 5 a.m. in the morning. और 7 a.m. तक जब तक मुझे क्लास जाना है, before that, I used to complete my sketches. That I continued till 2 years. That 2 years of continuation gave me the habit that I want to practice my creativity every day. And that is how I was able to manage that. And obviously, time management, effective time management. So I am someone who pre-plan the whole year in advance.
Okay.
I know what is to be done in the whole year. I have plan B also if this fails. And at the same time, every month I keep targets and I reward myself at the end of the month. It is very important to pre-plan and effectively execute things. कोई rocket science नहीं है, कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है, but simple चीजें जो मैं life में effective करता हूँ. I'll promote myself. There is time management series I put on YouTube also. तो वहाँ पे this question is answered in detail, where you can actually go through that how we can effectively manage the time.
Yeah. Okay, all right. I'll share the link in the description box. So for those of you who want to observe, you can click on the link given in the description box itself. Yeah, that's good to hear, Krishna. So asking about your CA life as well. So do you think that your CA life and your academic life is helping you in order to pursue your passion and career? So how it has impacted you?
I'll be considering this question and I'll be answering this question in entire video. Okay. Whatever I'm going to speak now onwards, I'll try to integrate CA topics in between. For example, I just told you about the time management. I'm a person who does right things at the right time. Okay. I know what is to be done at the right time. And this statement, no, right things at the right time, if you go 7B, strategic management, IPCC, उसमें एक chapter में लिखा हुआ था, doing right things at the right time, management principle, which we just read and I'm implementing it right now. Okay. You know what, Kushal, what happens? Especially for CA students, we lose a lot of time. We have just 2 exams in a year. We appear for 2 exams. We prepare 3 months for that. So 6 months we are busy. But what about the extra 6 months what we do? They're completely wasted in vacations. And I think that is not happening with MBA students, or that is not happening with IITians. And that's why they're getting an age, they're utilizing more of their time. That's an alarming situation, and we should consider that we are actually losing a lot of time in between those vacations. Those vacations are meant to perform the jobs which you love, the things which you love. If you miss out on that, then there is someone who is taking a competition age.
Right, exactly. Completely agree with you. So like in these vacation of 6 months which you are taking, so how does a person ensure that he utilizes his time effectively, and like instead of going on a vacation, or what mindset he should have so that he can follow his passion?
Okay. Now how CA study is helping me. We know the concept of opportunity cost, the cost of next best alternative.
Right.
Every time, whenever I give my time to someone, in the back of the mind, opportunity cost is being calculated. What is the next best thing I can do at this time? Right?
Okay.
If we can't do that, no. For example, Sunday dinner, hostel ka Sunday dinner utha lo. If we want to go out for Sunday dinner, and every Sunday dinner we are going out, मतलब मैं क्या करता था? My hostel friends will hate me for this. हर Sunday dinner को नहीं जाता था. I used to have some sketch commissions or ethical hacking assignments.
Okay.
1 hour waiting, 1 hour dinner, 1 hour coming and going back. Man, 3 to 4 hours are lost. I used to do one sketch or something, and I used to earn money in that period or enhance my skill because of the opportunity cost. Right. And that practice is helping me right now a lot. So I'm trying to channelize all those things in my creative stuff, in my businesses, which I'm learning in CA, because CA is something which gives you a lot of exposure when it comes to businesses, when it comes to studies, client exposure
Right.
as well. So yes, I'm trying to channelize that here. Yeah.
Right. Get it. So since we've been talking about a lot of CA things as well, so when's your CA final attempt?
We are recording this today, right now, and I guess it's
Yeah.
8th of November.
Yeah.
After 12 days, 21st November. Yeah, I'm supposed to appear
Oh,
for my
so
first group. I've
all right.
already cleared the second group.
Okay, all right. So how's your preparations going?
I see I have my books around, and I
Hmm.
was reading some strategic management. See,
Oh,
you can see what I'm
oh,
doing in my books.
wow.
I keep sketching in my books as well. So
Oh,
yeah,
that's an
preparation is
awesome
going
sketch,
on.
by the way.
It's thank you,
I hope
Kaushal.
the Institute Board of Studies members do not see this, or else they'll saying that you are sketching on their books.
No, no. If any of the board of studies member is listening to this, please see if we can redesign these books in a creative manner. See, creativity is for effective communication. So yeah, that I'm just initiating an offer here that
Yeah.
probably we can design some good creative stuff for CA students.
Right.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So I think, yeah, creativity is a thing which lacks in CA students. So even I have felt this, even
Mhm.
going in interviews or interacting with many students, I feel like there's this thing of creativity which IITians and MBAs they have over us. And what are some of the tips and advices which you would give to all the CA aspirants that how can they imbibe creativity? I know this is a very difficult question. Like each one cannot be creative, like they cannot be creative from their birth itself. So, what are some of the things which they can do so that their creativity is at least enhanced by some extent?
I'll defer my opinion here, Kush.
Hmm.
Every person is a creative.
Okay.
Every person is a creative in his or her respective field.
Okay.
इट इज जस्ट वो बाहर नहीं आई ये चीज.
Hmm.
अभी ये लोग जो वीडियो देख रहे हैं उनमें से सिर्फ 5 से 10% लोग होंगे. ओनली
Hmm.
5 to 10% पीपल मस्ट बी देयर हु नो व्हाट इज टू बी डन, व्हाट इज
Hmm.
देयर इंटरेस्ट और पैशन. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल डोंट नो ओनली व्हाट इज देयर
Hmm.
पैशन.
Hmm.
So I would recommend it. You should go to your school days,
Hmm.
old school days,
Hmm.
and try to remember which thing you try to enjoy a lot and
Hmm.
understand the characteristics of that particular thing. For example, I used to do sketching, drawing, or creative stuff. I understood. या
Hmm.
फिर मेरे communication skills मुझे तब पसंद थे.
Hmm.
Take an example of CA ranker Kushan Lodha himself. उसने क्या किया? He is using his communication skills towards his knowledge, and man, having a particular audience, a filtered audience of 22,000 plus subscribers, you have, do you understand what you have gained with your skill? You have channelized your communication skills here and helping out people, and you have a community of more than, I guess, across all 30-50,000 के आसपास आपका community हो जाएगा, if I calculate.
Thanks.
So
Thanks a lot.
that creativity, yeah. So that creativity is already there. It is just, you have to take it forward.
Right.
हम सोचते कि हम ये करेंगे. मैं थोड़ा
Hmm.
पागल हूँ इस मामले में. मैं करके बैठ जाऊंगा. I won't
Uh,
think I'll act. And I'll see
right.
what happens later on. Obviously, it's an insured risk. So yeah,
Right. Yeah. I
there are
think
many
taking
chartered
risk.
accountants who are creative.
Okay. Yeah.
Because
I
I
think.
remember one of my
Hmm.
articles friend, I'm so sorry, he used to vouch also in creative manner.
Okay. How does
That
it work?
organization of things,
Hmm.
like using proper different colors वगैरह, वो तो मुझे मेरे
Hmm.
जब samples reject हुए थे तब मैंने
Hmm.
समझ गया था कि how vouching works. So so that
Okay.
is very important, that how we involve it in every aspect.
Right. Exactly.
Yeah, Kushal.
Yeah. So now we've discussed about your CA journey as well, some aspects of CA life into your practical life as well. You also spoke about ethical hacking. So I wanted to ask, like, what is the importance of data analytics and machine learning and this all new field of ethical hacking? So could you just brief us about this field, which we are unaware of?
Exactly. I'll be covering one more aspect. Many people ask me, why are you doing so many things
Hmm.
along with this? CA भी करना है, LLB भी करना है, या फिर
Hmm.
hacking करना है.
Hmm.
See, you can learn ethical hacking online anywhere, but
Hmm.
having a course or degree. For example, if
Hmm.
I'm doing LLB, I'm learning an organized content.
Hmm.
Content is there, you can learn. But if I enroll to a particular course, I'm learning an organized content. And ethical hacking was something, it was a dream project for me,
Hmm.
In 9th standard, my
Okay.
Facebook account got hacked
Hmm.
during my dad's election somewhere. So it got hacked. और उसके बाद में मुझे वो curiosity बन गई that, I want to get into ethical hacking and I want to learn
Hmm.
what hacking, how it works.
Hmm.
Then I started developing the skills, first of all.
Hmm.
And if you see the transition of the era which is happening right now, everything is going digital.
Hmm.
Everything.
Right.
See, I'll come to the topics which you specifically mentioned, the data analytics and machine learning. Data analytics is nothing but collecting the raw data and converting it into a very good refined data information. For example, simple, let's take an example, the Google speaker or the Siri. They're using artificial intelligence, they are collecting the data, they are giving it to the Apple or Google Inc, and they're actually sorting it out.
Right.
हमारे ऑडिट में क्या होता है, हमारे सीए में क्या होता है? सी कोई भी चीज हो, artificial intelligence, the machine learning, machine learning is the use of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is changing everything.
Right.
जो human brain काम करता था, that is being done by artificial intelligence.
Right.
5 years back in CA firms, audit के samples निकालने के लिए, they have to manually, take out the samples. Right now, the population is generated by the software itself. So
exactly.
I don't know why CA Institute has removed ISCA subject from the CA final. It was a theory subject totally, but जो ITT का training भी होता है हमारा, I don't think this is going to help a CA student a lot, because he already knows that in articleship. That is not something huge what we are learning there.
Right.
What we need to learn is कि हम लोग किस तरह से data analytics, machine learning या फिर cyber security को integrate करें. So that is the reason I did CA. I'm gathering the finance knowledge. LLB से मुझे legal knowledge मिल रहा है और ethical hacking से IT का knowledge मिल रहा है. And if we consolidate all these three together, this is nothing but forensic expertise, if you see.
Okay.
And that's where I started my own venture named Scion, where I'm trying to get all the ethical hackers, all machine learners, all data analytics on one platform. Because if you can't learn skills, you can hire skills also. Understand one thing, if you have good hiring skills or if you have good management skills, then you can get the skills on board.
Right.
So I won't recommend everyone to learn everything, but having a basic knowledge of something will help you hire somebody of that particular era. That's what.
Right, exactly. Completely agree with you on this point. Yeah, get it. Now just diverging towards the uncertainty which is going around. So if you were to just brief about how should a particular person cope up with the uncertainty or react to this uncertainty which is going around, so what would you advise?
Kushal, right now the pandemic is going on, but I still remember previous 2 attempts I had. I really had a lot of uncertainties. I lost a couple of family members. I lost a relationship over half a decade. I'm speaking about everything because I want people to know, because they also go through all these phases. For exam के पहले 22 दिन बचे थे, ठीक है? Those 22 days. I wrote somewhere, and I think everyone should do that. You should be the master of uncertainties. If you call yourself the master of uncertainty, imagine whatever happens in your life. You call yourself, no, I can do it because I'm the master of that particular thing. And also, when an uncertainty starts bothering you, when there's something which is bothering you, I make a clear line of control. This is very important. Everyone should make a clear line of control. What is within my control and what is beyond my control. If it is within my control, the act of someone or anything which is bothering me is within my control, I should give 100%, no matter what.
Absolutely.
मैंने जी जान लगा देनी है. जब तक मेरा होगा तब तक मुझे जान लगानी है. But if it is beyond my control now, you just shouldn't give a F. यहाँ पे beep डाल देना about it.
Okay.
That's all. Just don't give any damn to about that thing, because it's beyond your control. You just can't do it. Just manage things which are within your hand. That's it.
Right. Absolutely. I think even in this current
is how
situation,
you can deal with uncertainty.
Yeah, even in this current situation, I think they can apply, like students can apply the same thing. A lot of frustrations which are happening now, and ICI is postponing the examinations as well. So basically, that was the main purpose of asking this question. And would you like to throw some light to these students as well? Like, how should they react
I uninstalled Twitter last week. Because reading tweets was within my control. Those people tweeting is not within my control.
Right.
I didn't want to read that. I just uninstalled it. So I'm doing the best what I can do. Right now, just understand, भले ही 19th को जाके, even on the date of 19th, if exams get postponed, don't feel sad. It's not in your control. You studied till the time, that's okay. Everybody's suffering in this country. It's okay. You're not someone who is going on an extraordinary path. But I think just be patient. Being patient is very important, which I have learned through sketching. I can be very patient. Kushal, when I sit for 125 hours to make a sketch, understand? 125 hours for one canvas. That focus, no, 8-10 घंटे, I just don't even come to know what's happening around the world because I'm so engrossed in my work. That's the patience we develop over the time, right? And that is helping me now. Yeah. So that's why I tell you, practice your
8 to 10 hours you didn't used to have anything, like only sketching. Like
Yeah,
not
a
even
lot of
food.
time, a lot of time. I don't even
Oh,
consider what's happening beyond. Because if you
oh.
see my YouTube channel, I put time lapse videos also because some people
Hmm.
used to tell me, ki, this guy is just putting Xerox of the sketches.
Hmm.
So I used to record them. So तुम देखोगे ना तो a lot of time I'm recording them. A
Hmm.
lot
Hmm.
of time.
Okay.
It's a meditation for me. I do it every day.
That's awesome. I think, yeah, that's really awesome. So it was a very candid and insightful conversation with you, Krishna. So before we conclude, any last message? Like, you have given a lot of advices and suggestions, which even I need to incorporate in my personal life. Those are really very insightful. So any last advice which you would like to give to all our viewers? Any last message?
Uh, this one thing, okay, which I think which is very important.
Hmm.
Uh, CA is not everything.
Hmm.
LLB or CS or
Absolutely.
CMA is not everything. Okay.
Right.
CA has 6 subjects, but your life has 6 subjects, among which CA is one of them.
Hmm.
ठीक है. तो मैंने
Right.
CA complete मतलब about to complete, LLB I'm doing it, IT I'm doing it, art I'm doing it, creativity I'm
Hmm.
doing it.
Hmm.
These are the 6 or 7 subjects of my life.
Hmm.
I have to understand what knowledge I can gather together and
Hmm.
how I can create something unique product out of that.
Right.
So what, see, अब तक तुमने CA में ये नहीं सीखा. You have just not learned the books. You have learned the patience. You have learned to
Hmm.
face the failures. You have
Right.
you have made a network. You have met people in the classes. Call them on their birthdays. It's okay. Invest in your networking. Make a good platform. And once you get out of this all, I can say a formal education, then
Hmm.
try to channelize all the verticals, all the learnings till now, which you did in your aspect in your own way. That is the creativity which you will be incorporating right now, just the way Kushal is doing right now. He's using his skills. Many people out there, yeah. So
Yeah.
I think this is how we should do all of that stuff.
Thanks a lot, Krishna. Indeed, that was very insightful and motivating as well. A lot of tips and a lot of advices would be useful to all the CA aspirants and all the general viewers as well. So thanks a lot for taking out your time and coming up on the show. I really enjoyed recording this conversation with you. And all the best for your future endeavors. You are definitely going to go way ahead. So thanks a lot for coming up on the
Thank you,
show.
thank you so much, Kushal, for having me. And you are doing a great job for all the people out there. Yeah. And
Thanks.
yes, I'm your subscriber. I keep watching your videos as well.
Yeah.
Keep
Thank
creating
you so
them.
much. Yeah, that
Yeah.
means a lot to me.
Yeah.
And guys, I'll also
Yeah.
share YouTube channel link of Krishna Rati, so you can subscribe the same. So you can also have some, like, you can watch some videos of sketching if you're interested. So thanks a lot, guys,
Yeah.
for watching the video.
And more importantly, time management, which is important for people
Yeah,
effectively. I'm not gonna speak about everything huge, but just the things which I implement in every day. That's important.
right.
Yeah.
Exactly. Thanks a lot, Krishna.
Thank you so much, Kushal. Thank you for inviting me.